I've had internships with community mental health agencies, individuals who are at the highest need. I've gotten a really well-rounded understanding of housing, therapy, substance use disorder, and really what the social issues are in the city of Detroit.
The Children's Center is getting funding for programs that helped with mental health, education, and family support.
The Chandler Park Conservancy brings a revitalized Chandler Park to the East Side community, helping build curriculums about the environment and conservation, teaching youth about how to grow their own food, addressing the insecurities of water. We work to alleviate strain around basic life necessities that everyone should have access to, coming together as a community.
The services that Wayne State students are providing when we go into these internships, they're stellar. We're providing a service that is necessary. We are really providing a huge part of a lot of these organizations' workforces.
I was able to intern with a nonprofit. Not everyone is able to go where they want to be because they don't have a car, they don't have a job. Advocating for them is what, makes me very happy.
We are in the most intimate parts of people's lives.
Helping people do the best that they can.
It's being an advocate for the underdog.